Run back.
Running. Come on.
Shut the door. One's in. There's a lot.
Big dude.
He's dead.
Good game.
I need help.
I got you. Let me use it again.
No, that should be fine.
Use it again.
Again?
Yeah, use it again. Yeah, I'm gonna double down. Yeah, go ahead.
I already
Well-
did.
All of us are pretty good. There's two on the left, Matt. Unless that's through a door. Oh yeah, that's through a door.
Alright, so don't use the sniper, ever.
Really?
Literally the worst gun in the game.
What happened?
I fucking 3-shotted those big dudes and nothing happened.
Was is just bad. Oh, there's a downstairs over here.
I even don't beat them.
I just have a lock. Hiya!
Lock.
Ah, it's a long range flashlight every time. What you doing over there? Hmm.
Y'all heard that?
That sounded pretty.
Sounded like Metal Gear.
It was over here, right?
Oh yeah, you can see it. Yeah.
Where is it? This one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's nothing behind this door. I see a couple. I see one on like the far back left. What was that? Did you hear that? Okay. Yeah, this room's clear. This is just a small room. But this room, I don't know. This room I don't see anybody either. I see a guy on the far left over there.
I dropped glow sticks. I have seafoam grenades now.
I want the glow sticks. I have a fog repeller on me. Thank you. We can open this door. Unlock it. Hit it. Just melee. Is it for this lock or is it for the other lock?
There's a tool refill in there.
Go for it. I want to see. Whoa.
That was even louder than hitting it.
Ooh.